welcome to Joëlette TV, the place to be if you want to have the time of your life in Paris. My name is Llyane Stanfield, and today I will give you a few tips to help you make sentences like I saw the Tour Eiffel. I will see the Louvre. I had seen a show at Moulin Rouge. All these sentences are using the verb voir, to see, at different tenses. So let's see how are we going to say all this in French.
Je vois, tu vois, il voit, elle voit.
Nous verrions, we would see. Vous verriez, you would see. Ils verraient, they would see, masculine. Elles verraient, they would see, feminine. And now it is your turn to post under this video 3 sentences using the verb voir at your favorite tenses. Of course, the big social media party goes on the blog at joelette.com, so come on over and don't miss the fun. So if you like this video, please click the like button and do share it with your friends. And if you'd like to be on our newsletter list to receive our 7-day free French crash course, or if you're ready to take our intensive workshop, please go to joelette.com and subscribe. Merci beaucoup, and I'll see you next Tuesday.
Stay on your game and don't ever give up on your dream to become bilingual. The world needs your enthusiasm that only you can have when you'll go to Paris and fully enjoy it.
Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.
Our full immersion retreat is coming up. Are you coming? Ready to stroll in the streets of Paris with us, but you need to improve your conversational skills before you go? Come on over to our intensive workshops and we'll get you in shape in no time.